Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. Click on the link given in the description below to get to this reel. After opening this reel, click on the use template given above the username. Now click on Add Media and add one photo or video and two photos, one from 2020 and one from 2022. After adding, click on Next. Now your reel is ready. You can also crop your video if you want to pick certain part from your video by clicking on it. Now after adjusting your video, click on Next. Now to text, click on Text and first type the text. Now after typing your text, click on the text at the bottom left side of your screen. Now trim the video till the first part of your clip. Now check your video and click on Next. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.